Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's 3-Valve Wednesday, and we're going to watch a dyno pull on this 08 Bullitt laying down over 500 rural horsepower with our Novi 2200 Brenspeed package. Hey, if you haven't subscribed and notified, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, cool thing. This car already came out with a bunch of mods, which I love. So 93 octane. Doug, come down here, take a look. So stock intake manifold, but already had delete plates. Had Detroit rocker cams, had a set of long tubes. Novi 2200, our polished package. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, Kohler spark plug, proper tune, and as well as a booster pump. So we have this available to ship right to your door. We also have them in non-intercooled. We're located in Indiana. If you wonder what's this cost to get installed, simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But check out this dyno pull. All right, check these numbers out. DynoJet, SAE, smoothing 5, remember, 2200, intercooled supercharger, 538 roll horse, peaking at 6700, torque, love it, 447, peaking at 5100 RPM, boost comes in at 12.7, just because we ran it up to just under 6800 RPM. But this kit typically is about 10-11 PSI, keep the RPM a little bit lower than that. Hey, we also have a non-intercooled kit. It's about 8-9 PSI. That's our most popular, called the Paxton Throwback. But hey, this Novi 2200 intercooled with the cams, headers, delete plates, does have a throttle body on it. That kit is awesome. Open that description. I'll put links to all these parts we just talked about. Have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Thanks for watching.